Oh yeah, it's Funko time! Woo! 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 Yeah! Hello YouTube friends and neighbors. At the end of November, I was contacted by this guy, Gabriel, on Facebook, and he said he had a small Funko Pop collection. So this is one of the last collections I bought before December. I'm pushing off buying collections until the spring, I think, because the wintertime is a very slow time for my shops. It's cold. All this winter's been the coldest I can remember in the longest time. And so just not many people are shopping, so I don't have as much money to spend, which is kind of a bummer because I really like doing the big collection purchases, and I know you guys enjoy that too. So I'll go working this winter trying to figure out a better way to get more collections, to do more videos and make more content for you guys, because I love doing it. It's so much fun. So I paid him 90 bucks for this box right here. And I think it's 15 pops, so it was like $6 a pop. It was maybe a little bit more than I normally would like to spend, but I think there was a lot of interesting pops or ones I knew I could sell pretty well. And I think a couple that I really wanted, so we're going to see. I kind of forget. It's been, again, I do this where sometimes I just don't open up boxes for like a month, so I don't remember exactly what's in here. I think it had a lot of superhero stuff, but I don't remember. Okay, hopefully it's okay. I'm always worried that one of these days I'm going to take a month to open this stuff and it's full of garbage or something. Okay, so that's what it looks like inside. Hopefully it's, oh, it's packing peanuts. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, I gotta dump these into something. You know what? I'm just gonna pull it out of the box without looking. Okay, let's start going through this box. And you guys let me know if you think I got a good value or not. Okay, what do we have? Okay, we have Reese, the Walgreens exclusive. That's cool. I believe I have him already. So that's, I think there's a lot of exclusives like this that I know I can put in my shop for like $12.99 and they'll sell pretty well. So I think that's the main reason why I was willing to pay $6 a pop. Because normally if it was all commons, I probably wouldn't have paid that much. Oh, this is cool. Okay, this is the Walmart exclusive Cinderella. She has like the translucent blue glitter dress. She's cool. I don't have her yet, so I'm actually happy to get that one. Okay, that's cool. Hopefully there's more in here that I don't have. That's more exciting to me than something to sell. Okay, this is cool. This is the Lord of the Rings Frodo Baggins. This is a common, not exclusive, but one I don't have, and I love Lord of the Rings, so I'm happy to get that. I think I don't have that one yet. I know I didn't really go on my way yet to get that collection, and I know I got a few in the last few collections I purchased, but I'm not sure if I end up getting that one. Oh, okay, this is cool. This is the Batgirl out of the Black Friday box last year. That one's cool, and I think that one's actually worth a little bit more, like $15 to $20. So that's actually really cool. Okay, so maybe I did get these at a good price. Okay, we got another one of these. Another Reese. So there was two of those. So I don't know if he was buying them to trade or something. Not sure. I don't know why people get duplicates sometimes. I mean, unless they're wanting to trade or sell them. Okay, this is cool. We got She-Hulk. I think I have She-Hulk already. I really need to finish my full collection. I'm still only about halfway through my collection. I'm hoping if the winter's slow and I'm not doing as much content, I'm definitely going to be working on getting my collection sorted so I can do that collection tour, because I know you guys are dying to see that. But that's cool. If I don't have her, I'm really happy to get her. And if I have her, that's alright. I'm sure someone will be happy to get her for 10 bucks. Okay, we have a regular Flash. This one I definitely have. I think he is kind of cheap and common to get, because I think a lot of people bought him trying to get the chase. I think I even have two in my collection because the paint jobs are slightly different. Okay, next we have... Oh, okay. And another Flash. Duplicates. Yeah, from the same batch. Duplicates. Okay, so yeah, I guess in this collection there was some more common stuff. If I remember correctly, it was supposed to be 5 commons and 10 exclusives. Okay, this is cool. We have the Jump Scare Fun Time Foxy. I believe this is the one that Walmart had on sale super duper cheap. But that's fine. I still think, even if it's not worth so much right now, it's definitely something I can sell for 15 bucks down the road. Okay, next we have... Oh, this is cool. Okay, the Walgreens exclusive Black Panther Unmasked. I have him already, but that's a really cool pop. And with the movie coming out, I think people will really... It'll be easy to sell next month. Oh, okay, this is cool. We have the Thunderbolts version of the Punisher from Walgreens. Again, a pop I believe I have. Not sure if I have him on the wall yet. But again, he's just one of those... I think he'll be easy to sell because these Walgreens exclusives from this set, and then here's the second release, these are easy to sell because people are still looking for them. And you can't find them in the shops anymore. Okay, this is... Okay, we have a... This is from the subscription box. The Dorbs Double Pack. Aquaman and Superman. That's pretty cool. I have it already because I got the subscription box. But I'm sure someone will want that. Okay, and then we have another Thunderbolts Punisher. That's funny. He must have been buying them thinking he would trade. I'm guessing that's what happened. Okay. Oh, this is cool. Okay, well, then we have the Kamikaze She-Hulk. I think I have, this is the one I have. I think I'm missing the common one, but the glow-in-the-dark one, I believe that's glow-in-the-dark. Yeah. I'm pretty sure I have that one. So that one, again, I might be able to get 15 out of that because that was the retail when these came out. Although the box is a little bit dented, so I might have to discount it a bit. Okay. Okay, and then we have Tiffany from The Bride of Chucky. It's not one I really wanted or anything, but it's still cool. Okay, and I think that's it. So that was a pretty decent lot. It was $6 a pop I paid. It's maybe a little bit more than I would pay if someone brought them to me in person. But there was enough exclusives, you know, this kind of stuff that I know I can get $12.99 for, or maybe even $15 for some of them if Pop Price Guide has them at a much higher price. I'm okay with that. I will sell off all the duplicates and I add like 3 or 4 to my collection. So it's a small little collection, but it was fun to get. I'm happy with it. Now, I want to shout out to this guy named Jeff. He's been coming into my shop the last month or so. He's purchased 3 or 4 pops. Basically, he just started watching my channel and he tells me to put certain duplicates on hold. So I really appreciate it. I haven't met you yet, but my wife's met you and said you're a really nice guy. And I want to shout out to your daughters, Abigail and Ariana. So I want to thank Gabriel for sending me his collection. I appreciate giving me the deal and I had a fun time opening his package. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If this is the first time you're here and you enjoyed seeing me open up a Funko Pop lot like this, please subscribe to my channel. I love making videos for you guys. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Bye!